Insulin resistance develops years before you get over diabetes. You want to know if you have this. Let's review what this means, how it's correlated with dementia, and the genes specific that we see when we look at our genes. Take a look at this. So if we take a look at this diagram here, we're going to look at the cycle of insulin resistance. Basically, we eat something. We then will make insulin from our pancreas. This insulin then is used to get the fuel that we just ate, the glucose that we just ate, to get it into the cells. Now, if you have insulin resistance, this fuel can't get into the cell. And so what happens? It gets stored into fat. And then we're tired and hungry, and the vicious cycle starts over. So this is a simplistic form of what insulin resistance does. Insulin resistance equals hyperinsulinemia, which means we have an increased level of insulin in our bloodstream, and we don't want that. Here are a list of some of the genes that we look at for Alzheimer's, and here are lists of some of the genes that we look at for insulin resistance and diabetes. So when you put these two, we know that Alzheimer's is correlated with insulin resistance and that they intersect somewhere. Whether this is the root cause or not, we're still in the making, but we do believe so. And so if we could stop insulin resistance, perhaps we can make a big difference in Alzheimer's.